press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
The Indian Air Force received first Apache helicopter. First AH-64E Apache Guardian helicopter was formally handed over to the Indian Air Force at Boeing production facility in Mesa, Arizona, USA on the 10th of May 2019. The first batch of these helicopters is scheduled to be shipped to India by July this year. Selected aircrew and ground crew have undergone training at the training facilities at U.S. Army based Fort Rucker, Alabama. The helicopter has been customized and would have significant capability in mountainous terrain. These attack helicopters will provide significant edge in any future joint operations in support of land forces.